here's a quick recipe idea using mussels and cream. They go hand in flavour, and I think we should be eating more mussels because they're full of flavour and they're inexpensive. I'm using blue lip mussels here, and you can see their distinct blue colour just on their shell. And I'm also going to give this a bit of an Asian twist. So I've been heating up a pan. I'll add a generous glug of extra virgin olive oil, about a tablespoon. And I'll just lightly fry off some ginger that I've finely sliced, along with some chilli. I've got red chilli and green chilli, and I love the flavour of kaffir lime leaf and cream, so I'm adding one of those that I've finely sliced. We'll give that a quick stir. And now I'll add some turmeric, toast that off, and we can add our cream. Now it's a high heat there, so I'm going to be using some cooking cream which won't curdle at high temperatures. So in with the cream. And look how the turmeric stains that cream. Fantastic. Now we want this to thicken up, and you can see this cooking cream thickens immediately. So now it's time to add our delicious mussels. 1 kilo of mussels that have been scrubbed and de-beaded, and we'll add them to our aromatic cream broth. Fantastic. Coat them all in the cream. And keep that at a high heat, but do put a lid on. This is going to take about 1 minute for the mussels to open. Once they're open, this dish is ready. Okay, these mussels are cooked. Look at that, they've all opened up. And the smell of turmeric and cream, just perfect. Now I'm going to carefully pour them into a large platter, just like this one. Look at that broth, plenty of broth. What a fabulously fast dish, full of flavour. I have so many friends that go to restaurants and order mussels, but they never cook them at home. You can see it takes moments, and the flavour is second to none. I'm going to get this one, and then don't forget to just sneak a little of that cream and turmeric broth in there. This is the best way to eat them, with your hands. Oh, love them.